Hi Kitty fam, I am back from Bali, back to reality, and I got the most beautiful, softest tan. Even though I wore sunscreen every single day, I finally get Ross why he wanted the perfect spray tan so bad. I get him. I have discovered so many beautiful skincare and beauty gems this year, like life changing. Why did no one tell me about this before? Fine. I haven't shared this with you all, but I did not feel beautiful for the longest time, like for years. And when I went to Bali, there was something in the air, or maybe my skincare routine. My skin was glowing. I truly felt like my prettiest version there. I know it was not just my skincare, but also my energy. I'm also gonna be sharing the exact products that I packed for Bali, plus the new skincare gems that I'm obsessed with currently. So grab your chai, coffee, coconut water, and let's dive into the juiciest skincare recommendations of this season. Quick note, this video is not sponsored at all by any brand. If you have watched my Plum skincare reviews video, you know I've not been a fan of their toners, but this one gives the softest, juiciest post facial skin just in seconds. It's so finely mist. The marine water in this mist is actually sourced from an island in France. Sounds fancy, but it actually works. It revitalizes your skin by restoring the minerals. It's cooling, calming, and so hydrating. Love it. Highly recommend it. For moisturizer, I love this little bottle. This is CeraVe moisturizing lotion. It has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So damn hydrating for your skin, but also gives a beautiful glow. It's like a gel cream hybrid texture, instantly melts into my skin, so lightweight and makes my skin super soft and glowy in just a few seconds. If you want a ceramide moisturizer that restores and strengthens your skin barrier, then go for this. You get this huge quantity for 1000 rupees, which is way cheaper than the Dew in My Defense moisturizer. So if you don't want to spend 3000 rupees on a ceramide moisturizer, this is the best ceramide moisturizer out there. Get it. I also bought the Minimalist B12 moisturizer, which is pink in color, because it has the same pink color as the ordinary pink serum, and the pink color is actually because of the vitamin B12, not because it has additives. And this one is like 359 rupees, so very affordable. So it's a very lightweight barrier support moisturizer under 500 rupees. I don't know, there's something about minimalist skincare, it doesn't work for my skin, and that's why I don't talk about it. But this one is decent. Like if you want a pink moisturizer, I think you can invest in this one. These are the skincare products that will give you instant and quick glow. So this is the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. This is a life-changing, why did no one tell me before, skincare find. I highly recommend to each one of my subscriber. You need to get it, because I've never seen my skin glow like this before. I even used this during my Bali trip and my skin was glowing. My next pick is Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. I use it once in a week whenever I feel my skin is looking dull. It just brings back my skin to life. One of my subscribers DM'd me and she was like, Manvi, I found this mask on more than 50% off, and which was obviously a scam, because anything that's too good to be true is a scam. So be careful. There are so many fakes of this mask out there. Always buy from a trusted platform. Anua Skincare is also launched on Nykaa. I was so happy to see it because I've been using their skincare products for months now, and this skincare product is a must have from Anua. This is my number one pick. If you're getting one thing from Anua, you need to get this cleansing oil, Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. And I have no shame in admitting that this is literally the best cleansing oil ever. Like, I haven't used a cleansing oil as light as this. This does not leave any oil residue on my skin, and my makeup melts in like seconds. It just comes off on its own. It cleans my pores, it removes all the blackheads and whiteheads. I took it with me for the Bali trip and I love it. Highly recommend it. And for niacinamide, I've been loving the Anua 10% niacinamide plus 4% tranexamic acid serum. The color is pink and texture is lightweight. It makes your skin super duper glowy. If you want to try a new niacinamide serum, go for this one. And if you want like an affordable niacinamide serum, then Plum wali to best hai. And Anua Heartleaf 77% toner, which is so calming on my skin. But I just feel it's not as hydrating as my other toners. So if you're like a super oily skin type, this one is for you. For eye cream, vegan collagen eye serum. This is by Axis Y brand, and it comes with this applicator which gives you a cooling sensation and a gentle massage, and it's very hydrating. If you want a toner for dry combination, very dry skin type, then this one is for you. I am from Rice Toner. I have finished mine, so I'm gonna get this during this pink sale. And if you want like an affordable milky toner, Hyphen Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence is the best. It's so good. It's a tad bit thicker than the Rice Toner. I feel nobody does milky toners like the Korean skincare brands, but this changed the game. For sunscreen, I have 4 or 5 recommendations, but in this video I'm only gonna talk about 2 because the rest of them will be in my description box. I've reviewed them so many times. Beauty of Joseon Aqua Fresh Relief Sun SPF 50. इस sunscreen को लगा के मैं भूल ही जाती थी कि मैंने sunscreen लगाई है because it was so lightweight. It just disappears into your skin and no white cast. It also doesn't get oily over the time. Like a lot of sunscreens produce oil after a few hours. This one does not. It's so moisturizing, and this is what I wore during my Bali trip. You can see I've used a lot. And if you want a sunscreen that is under 1000 but you don't want to compromise with the quality, it's same as the Aqua Fresh. This is the Put Simply Beat the Sun sunscreen SPF 50. Both of these sunscreens are so lightweight. There was only one day when I forgot to use my sunscreen, and I think in that day only I got the tan because पूरा दिन हम बीच पे बैठे रहते थे. It was just amazing, you guys. I accidentally booked a hotel which was among the top 50 hotels in the world. I went to Bali with zero expectations, and when I reached that hotel and came down from my room and kept walking, there was a huge pool, and in front of that was ocean. I was like, okay. I just walked into the beach and the staff was so friendly. I felt like when I came back to India, I felt everybody was so rude. I think my delivery guy. I will start posting Bali content after this video goes live, so you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go back to the recommendations, shall we? So let's talk about the serums that I took. This is the Madagascar Centella Ampule, which is literally like water on my skin, but with so many benefits. It's so soothing on the skin. It doesn't make my skin even tiny bit heavy, but keeps my skin hydrated for whole day. It gives a beautiful glow, makes my skin soft. I was at the beach, humidity, ocean air, so you don't want a lot of heavy layers on your skin. You want your skin to be able to breathe. I actually took the mini bottle of this. Highly recommended, especially for the peak summer and monsoon season. You wouldn't regret it. Next is a new launch. This is the Plum 10% Vitamin C Serum. So you guys know I am obsessed with the 5% Clears serum, but lately I've been using this only because this is so lightweight. It feels like water on my skin. With the Clears, I feel it's a little bit oily because it has like a base of oils. You guys know I love vitamin C serums, but there are not many vitamin C serums that actually perform like the Clears one, and this one does, and that's why I'm recommending it. I'm turning 35 this year, and this section is for those people who are also turning 35 or maybe 45, 55. So Cosrx 6 Peptide Booster Serum, I use it after my toner. Peptides are really good for mature skin types. That's why I never skip a chance to include peptides in my skincare routine, be it daytime or nighttime. And for my nighttime peptide skincare product is Ordinary Multi-Peptide Plus Copper Peptide 1% Serum. This is literally my favorite peptide serum. मेरा कैमरा का रिमोट खराब हो गया तो मुझे बार-बार उठ के जाना पड़ रहा है and start करना पड़ रहा है. So this one is the Argireline serum which I've talked about. I pair it with my copper peptide in the night time. These two serums are so good. But now let's talk about my favorite kind of moisturizers that I use in the summer monsoon season, and they are the gel based moisturizers. So these three are my gel based recommendations. Number one is a new launch. launch. This is Plum Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's an ultra light glow giving moisturizer because it has vitamin C. It just melts into my skin. Did you see? It's not heavy. It's super hydrating. Love it. But for my Bali trip, I took my most trusted Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It has never disappointed me, and the size is also tiny. There's a lot of noises out there. I hope you don't mind. The mini size is so travel friendly, and it is the most lightweight gel based moisturizer, but also very expensive. So I use it mostly when I'm wearing makeup because I know there's gonna be a lot of layers like the foundation, concealer, etc. So I don't want my skin to feel heavy. But otherwise, I will use the CeraVe in the night time, and for the daytime, I will use the Plum Niacinamide moisturizer or their vitamin C moisturizer that I showed you right now. So yeah, I just keep changing my moisturizers a lot, but these are like my favorites right now and have been for a long time. And how can I not talk about the Biodance Collagen Gel Toner Pads? These are like so quick to use. You just need to apply these for like 10-15 minutes, and the collagen water that your skin just absorbed gives your skin this beautiful glow. Like you can see the visible difference. Koreans swear by gel toner pads. They always use this in their makeup, skincare routine. So when I'm doing my hair, I apply these toner pads on my skin, and then I go in with my makeup, and my makeup looks so fresh. And if you want an affordable version of these toner pads which are really good quality, these Hyphen 44% rice water toners are so damn good, you guys. So these are also, why did no one tell me about these finds? For face washes, I have 3 recommendations. My number 1 pick is definitely by Klairs Gentle Black Facial Cleanser. This is a mild acidic cleanser, so it cleans your skin deeply and it gets rid of your blackheads, whiteheads. Highly recommend for oily acne prone skin type. If you get like a lot of acne breakouts, this one will save your skin so much. I was getting a lot of acne breakouts on my forehead 1 year back, and that's when I started using this face wash, and I never stopped using it. Then for like a very gentle face wash, Bioderma Etoderm face wash is also so good. It is a soap free face wash, but it lathers really well on your skin and cleans your skin deeply. And last one is in my shower actually. That's why I don't have it with me, and it's the Simple Refreshing face wash. So gentle, but I feel that the new formula doesn't lather much, but it does clean your skin. So yeah, these 3 are my recommendation. And Simple wala to बहुत ही affordable hai. Although they have hiked the price by 50 rupees, still affordable. And this also I keep in my shower, Face Shop Panthenol 2% exfoliating gel. So I have replaced my chemical peels with this one. It's much more gentler and does the work. So it removes the blackheads and whiteheads, which is like a huge problem for me. I have a oily T-zone, so I always get like blackheads and it doesn't look good on my skin. Texture of this is very similar to Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, but more hydrating and no fragrance. So this is so much better for your skin and also not that expensive. For masking, I have 2 recommendations. So this is the I'm From Rice mask. I love it. It's my holy grail. I'm gonna get the big tub because it just gives this brightening effect. It's almost lunch time, so everybody is like preparing to have lunch, but I have to finish this video, so let's quickly finish it because aaj matar paneer bana hai and I have to have lunch also. Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 5% Cloud Whip face mask. This is the newest launch. I bought it during the Plum sale, buy 2 get 2 free wale mein, because I really wanted to try a rice face mask. As you guys know, I love the rice one. So this one has a very liquidy, cloudy and this rice texture to it, and it does give a brightening effect. I actually used it yesterday. For retinol moisturizers, how can I miss this for people who are getting older? We all are getting older, you guys. All the 20-year-olds who think they're always gonna remain 20, and look at the 30-year-olds and think they're super ancient. You're also gonna be turned 30 soon, baby. So for super ancient people, these 2 moisturizer, Requil and the Cosrx one. These 2 are the most effective and best retinol skincare products out there. For night creams, you can give these to your moms as well. Vegan mucin peptidate cream, so it has the same texture as the snail mucin, but there's no snails used in this one. This is by Face Shop, and if you're okay with like snail mucin, then the advanced snail 92 all-in-one cream. I equally love both of these 2, so I cannot tell you which one to go for. it's really up to you. And for acne marks, okay, so I got a pimple during my Bali trip and I was so disappointed, but then I remembered कि मैंने ये वाली क्रीम रखी है and मैंने रात में लगाया, and next morning when I woke up I had nothing on my forehead. I also have a lot of new skincare and beauty launches that I want to try and are on my wish list. I will buy them during the Nykaa Pink sale, and one of them is the new launch of Benetton. So I love the raspberry shade. I really like the mauve tones on me, mauve pinky tones. They look really beautiful on Indian skin tones. So I'm gonna grab that and more of the Biodance Collagen Sheet Mask because I'm almost finished. This is the last one, and Snail 96 Mucin Essence. Now let's talk about the body care and hair care, and lastly I'm gonna quickly mention my beauty favorites that I've been loving. This time I have a body wash recommendation. I did not forget body wash because I always see one comment, Manvi, you did not recommend a body wash. So this is for you. Cherry Blossom Body Wash by L'Occitane. It smells so good. I have not smelled cherry blossom, so I have no idea how they smell, but it is so light. ऐसे भीनी भीनी से खुशबू आती है. So I love it. For body mist, I cannot recommend this enough. This is the Sol de Janeiro Crush Cheriosa number 68. This is literally like happiness in a bottle. It makes me so happy whenever I smell it. It smells like jasmine, dragon fruit, ocean. So damn good. Perfect for your beach vacation. I also bought a new perfume, you guys. Like, there's a brand Oaken in Bali which literally smells like ocean. I cannot stop smelling myself whenever I apply this. I'm gonna do my Bali shopping haul so that if you ever go to Bali, that's like a must pick. And for body lotion, I literally got 4 full size Plum Vanilla Caramello body lotion during the Plum buy 2 get 2 free sale. But if you did not get it during that sale, you can get it during the Nykaa Pink sale. That's why I'm recommending it. And now let's move on to the beauty favorites that I used the most during my Bali trip, and I'm using it right now. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I kept it in my handbag, my beach bag all the time, and because of the humidity, I needed to use it every hour, every 2 hours, and we were traveling so much, so my nose will get super oily. This powder is so fine. It doesn't show up on your face. It doesn't make you look like a ghost, and it doesn't make your makeup cakey no matter how many times you apply it on your face. I must have applied it like 10-15 times every day, but not even once my makeup looked weird. So I wore my makeup in the morning like 8 a.m. and I wore it whole day. In the night time I will fix it with my face powder, and after dinner I remove it around 10 p.m. and this is what helped my makeup to stay whole day. Okay, ELF is also gonna be on buy one get one free or buy two get two free. Either way, you need to grab these. This is the Camo Concealer, Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm in shade Medium Sand. Love it. So good formula. It stays forever on your eyes, doesn't crease if you set it perfectly with the powder, and doesn't dry out your eyes. Waterproof. ELF Liquid Blush, which is a dupe for my favorite blush, you guys, Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. These are the best blushes I've ever used, but super duper expensive in India. So if you want like an affordable version but similar finish, similar shades, but in so much lower price, then go for the ELF liquid blushes. They have launched all the shades now. Before they had only 3-4 shades, that's why I just got this one, but now they have like a pinky shades. Go for the pinky ones. And I fell in love again with this Rare Beauty blush in shade Grace. This is like a pink mauvey blush. It looks so beautiful on like tan skin tones, and ELF has the exact dupe of this blush in shade Bold Faced Lilac, under 1,000 rupees, and it will be on sale offers, so grab it. I cannot recommend this enough for like blush. And the one foundation that I actually wore every single day on my trip, I did not get any breakouts and my skin looked so healthy, so beautiful. It actually blends into my skin tone, doesn't feel heavy, cakey. Like if I died and people come at my funeral to look at me, whoever is there with me, you need to do my makeup using Dior foundation, okay? I'm in the shade 3 Warm Olive. Literally the best foundation ever. And the second best foundation is the Estee Lauder foundation, which I've recommended several times. But if you want like a much more lighter version, then go for this. And Estee Lauder is a matte foundation. This one also gives like a velvety finish. It's a matte foundation, almost matte, but it doesn't make your skin super dry or just like not too matte. How do I say it? I just love the finish of this foundation. It's like you're wearing makeup, but it doesn't look too obvious. But this one is like 4,000 rupees, super duper expensive, but it's in a great investment. However, if you want something similar vibe, it's definitely not the same consistency, but the same vibe, then L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour tinted serum foundation. I don't use many foundations. Let's be honest, I'm more of a skincare person. This is like you can even blend it with your hand. It is so lightweight. So I just wish that they had more shades. But I'm in the shade light medium 3.4. For my lips, I only wore 2-3 lip products. And first I will use the Benefit Benetint, and then I will apply the Etude House Fixing Tint. So my two favorite shades are the Soft Nude, which is like the newest shade that I am in love with, and my forever favorite is the Cranberry Plum. And one lipstick that I took with me is this one, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium. You guys know I'm obsessed with it, and I think this will be the first lipstick that I finish it fully. Lip tint I've finished. I've never emptied a full lipstick. Okay, my next recommendation is for the girlies who want like a full coverage foundation that can hide your acne marks and hyperpigmentation fully. Tear. It is so pigmented, and many people make the mistake of tapping like 3-4 times. You just have to tap once and that will be enough to cover your whole face. Trust me on that. And yeah, I think we are done with the recommendations. I will be soon posting my Bali content, so enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. I have talked a lot, you guys. Okay. Okay, bye, take care.